Luke here again with you. Now, believe it or not, if you've been through the previous videos, you should now have a completed and working follow-up process. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can test it, make sure it's all set up correctly, and make sure that it is working so that you know what your subscribers will receive if they opt in to your email list. So the very first thing to check is we're in our My First List, so we know that that's set up. We've got our list set up. We know we've got our sign up form set up, and we know we've got our follow-up messages set up. Okay, so this is all set up now. So now we just need to test it and make sure that it's going to work for our subscribers. So the first thing we do, if you remember, in our sign up forms, now you should have saved this somewhere else, but if we've lost it for any reason, then we come through and we get our link. So this is the link that we have if Aweber is hosting it. If it's our own link, then of course it would just be wherever it is that you embedded that link to. So that could be on your own website. So we've got that link. So let's say now that we know somebody and they want information off us, so we send them this link. Okay, so we've sent that link to them, and they would like to opt in for our training. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things here. I'm going to show you filling in the email address that I've already filled into this, because what that will show you is that it will be rejected because it's already subscribed, and then I'm going to show you filling in a new email address and how this system works. So if I put in my name again, let's say this person has actually already subscribed to my email list, but they just don't know it. So they're trying to resubscribe, and we click on sign up. You can see they get the "you are already subscribed" warning. So what this means is that they will not be entered again. So you don't have duplicate emails in your email autoresponder. They are already subscribed, therefore that is all they need to be. They're already receiving the information. So now if we come back, let's say that, let's just refresh this so it's new. So let's say we sent this link, but this person hasn't subscribed before, so we can still put in the same name, of course, that's not a problem. And let's say that we use a different email address and we click on sign up. And now we're subscribed. I'm going to show you how to actually redirect to a different website, the website of your choice, in a moment. But if we come now to that email address that I've just entered, and we check mail, so you can see we've received the first email in our email autoresponder series. So this completes that process. Now all of our emails will be sent individually in an automated fashion depending on the days that you've set and the emails that you've set. So it really is as simple as that to set up a campaign. Now you can see that I've made a spelling error here with the 2 I's in my name, so we need to fix that. But again, this is why we tested in the beginning, to make sure that everything's set up correctly. So if we go back to my account and we go to manage lists, or list options I should say, list settings, we should see that spelling error somewhere here. Here we go. So we delete that extra I and save those settings. But to go back to the process, the overall process that we've set up our list, okay, a particular list. We've set up our sign up form. Somebody's opted into that sign up form, and now they're receiving these follow-up emails automatically. Now the only variables here are what you put in your emails, where you put your sign up form. Okay, everything else remains the same regardless of your campaign. This time, this 3 days, that could be 6 months depending on your business. Perhaps you need to follow up in 6 or 12 months just to see how people are going. Perhaps it could be anything. You might be an insurance broker, so you need to check up with them in 11 months to remind them that they perhaps need to update their insurance, or a new dental appointment, or whatever it might be, depending on your business. For me, I keep in contact with my subscribers very frequently because I run my coaching, mentoring, and also my sales processes. So it depends on your business to how frequent these will be and what will be in this content, but the process always remains the same. So if we come back to home, you can see now we've actually had 2 subscribers today. So that was that first one that I tested in the previous videos, and also now the one that I've just entered that is receiving those follow-up email series. So if we come to the sign-up forms, we should see that reflected here in our 3 submissions. Okay, the reasons it's showing 1 display is because I've just been refreshing this page. But normally that would show, if this was 3 individual people with 3 separate IP addresses, that would show the 3 displays plus also the 3 submissions. One, of course, that was denied because I was already subscribed. Alright, so that really is the entire process. Now you can test this and test it again. Set up your follow-up email series, test each email individually using the test function. And then you can subscribe to your own email list and see how those emails are delivered. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.